How can you download all of your Google account information? In order to download all of your information from your Google account, simply visit this website, and I will include the link in the description below. After that, sign in with your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you only need to enable these checkboxes and select what you want for YouTube. Do you want it for Gmail or do you want it for Google Drive? Whatever information you want and have on Google, you just check the boxes, scroll down to the bottom, and then click on the next button. Once you have entered, it will arrive as a zip file. You just need to click create so that all the information is sent as a link to your email for you to download.